It has an exceptional tenacity for survival. But in the wild, it had one great competitor, the wolf. 3 times larger, wolves are fearsome predators. Fast and efficient, they form large, formidable packs that travel and hunt together to pull down large prey. And coyotes are on their menu too. So how did they survive the onslaught of the wolves? They may be small, but they're crafty and resourceful. Coyotes learned how to duck and dive and anticipate danger. They are also less fussy than wolves about where they live and what they eat. Swans aren't typically on the menu, but this one is weakened by hunger from the long winter. The coyote is masterful at spotting signs of vulnerability. He's constantly on the lookout for a new opportunity. But first he must reach his quarry.